Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Turmeric or haldi has some major benefits. That's why it's such a frequently used spice in Indian house. Today I'm going to show you how to make turmeric latte or haldi ka doodh. This is very famous in some western countries and is known as golden milk. This is healthy, easy to make and a traditional Indian home remedy to soothe cold and sore throat. It's used to cure arthritis, excellent source of antioxidants and lots of other benefits. Let's start with the recipe. I have taken fresh turmeric. This is easily available in winter season. Washed it, peeled and chopped it. Let's put it in a blender jar and grind it into a smooth paste. Now I'm going to fill this mini ice cube tray with the turmeric paste. Spread it and fill nicely. Cover it and pop it in the freezer. I make it every night, hence grinding it and freezing it into cubes is very helpful for me. Let's check. So you can see we have got beautiful turmeric cubes. You can use any of these, frozen turmeric, turmeric powder or freshly grated turmeric. Into a saucepan, let's pour in some milk. Heat it on medium flame. The milk is hot. Let's add a cube of turmeric. Stir it. You can see it has melted and the color of milk has changed slightly. I'm going to add cardamom powder. This gives nice aroma and flavor. Let it come to a boil and then we will simmer it for another 5 minutes at low flame. The milk will get nice golden yellow color as it boils. It has been boiling for 5 minutes. Now let's switch off the stove. Using a strainer, I'm going to strain the milk. Discard the fiber. Allow it to cool for 2 to 3 minutes and then we will add the sweetener, honey or jaggery. Stir it so that it cools a bit. Now add in honey or sugar. This is optional. I prefer my milk without any sweetener. Mix it well. I'm going to pour the milk into the serving cups. Sprinkle some cinnamon or darchini powder. And our golden milk or turmeric latte is ready. This is a great immunity booster, so start drinking this turmeric milk for beauty and health. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods, eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.